Fast Tower. Good evening. SkyCube 4854 Heavy for the ILS 14.
SkyCube 4854 Heavy, Halifax Tower, good day, runway 14, wind 260 at 15, altimeter 2967, information Tango, number 1.
Roger that. We have...
SkyCube 4854, tower, the wind's now 260 at 16, gusting 21, just confirm runway 14 still acceptable.
Confirm, still for 14.
SkyCube 4854, Heavy Tower, roger, wind 260 at 16, gusting 21, clear to land runway 14.
Clear to land clear to land runway 14, SkyCube 4854 Heavy.
Roger. Wind 250 at 15, gusting 21. Staff 52, ground seat on runway 14, cross runway 23.
Seat on 14, cross 23, roger 52.
SkyCube 4854, do you read?
Attack Tower, SkyCube 4854 is off the run. Requesting full emergency assistance.
SkyCube 4854, roger, emergency has been activated.
Ground, Staff 52, you have the crash alarm activated?
Staff 52, affirmative.
What's our situation?
Staff 52, say again.
Halifax,
Staff 52, no response from the fire.
Halifax SkyCube 4854, full emergency support.
SkyCube 4854, ground, say again.
Ground, Staff 52, going to proceed hotel to back to the apron.
Staff 52, ground, seat hotel to the apron.
Roger 52, proceed back to the apron.
SkyCube 4854, tower.
Ground, can I have, I'm on the maintenance road, ground, can I have clearance, please?
Bridge 2, ground, seat Delta, threshold runway 32.
Roger, Delta, threshold is 32. How that ground, that goes for red back?
Bridge 2 plus 3, 2 ground, seat Delta to the threshold runway 32.